Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you what you want to do if add to your story is missing in Instagram. So you can't add a photo or a video to your story, and I'll show you kind of reasons why might be missing and how to get it back. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure that you are using a strong and good Wi-Fi in order to post a story. So if your Wi-Fi is not working properly, you can simply shift it to mobile data, because sometimes mobile data is better than having a weak Wi-Fi connection. Once you have fixed your internet connection, simply check whether you are using latest and updated app or not. For this purpose, simply go to Google Play Store and in the search bar simply search for Instagram, and right next to the Instagram it will either says you open or update. If it says open, it means that you are using the updated version, but if it says update, which means that you need to update your app as soon as possible, because usually updating the app fix the bugs and glitches within the app, and then the problems are usually resolved. But unfortunately, if the problem isn't resolved, you have to exit this and go to phone settings. Once you are on the phone settings, scroll down a little bit and tap on where it says apps. Once you are on the apps, search for Instagram. Once you are on the Instagram info page, simply tap on where it says storage and cache. From here you have to clear storage and cache for Instagram. It will simply delete all of the raw files or data associated with your account, but you have to keep in mind that it will not delete your account information or any of the posts that you have posted on the account. It will simply log out your account and allow you a new and a fresher version of Instagram app. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.